Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by forcing Windows Explorer to refresh because the taskbar is part of that process. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager, locate Explorer, EXE and end task. Once done, click File, Run New Task, type Explorer, EXE and press Enter to relaunch it. This often restores the taskbar instantly. If icons are gone, make note of which ones. Make sure you're running an account with admin rights, and don't skip relaunching Explorer. It's a fast, effective first correction. Next, repair corrupted system files that can break the taskbar. Open Command Prompt as administrator, type sfc/scano and wait. This checks and repairs protected files. If SFC reports issues it can't fix, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, which will recover component store health. Once dism finishes, run SFC again for a final pass. After these utilities complete, restart Explorer or reboot your PC to apply fixes. This step addresses deeper configuration or file corruption problems. Finish by resetting taskbar settings and clearing cached icons because stale caches or bad settings often persist. Go to Settings, Personalization, Taskbar and toggle key options off and on, then delete the icon cache file and restart Explorer. If problems remain, create a new local user to see if the taskbar issue is profile-specific. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing else works, boot into safe mode and run system, restore to a point when the taskbar worked. That restores system state without reinstalling Windows.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.